Salutations to the lotus feet of my spiritual master Sri Sivashankar Baba of Kelambakam, Chennai, India, and thank you to my Pannisai Guru Oduvar Sami Dandapani of Lewisham Sivan Kovil, London.
பாடல் நீல நினைந்தடியேன் பண் நட்டராகம் ராகம் பந்துவராளி தாளம் ரூபகம் ஊர் திருக்கோளிலி பாடியவர் சுந்தரமூர்த்தி நாயனார் திருமுறை 7
Shankaram Sivashankaram. Let us look at the history of the temple and the song. Neela Ninainda Adiyen was sung in Brahmapuriswara temple in Tirukkuvalai. Now legend has it that Brahma worshipped Shiva here, and that's how this temple got its name, and the Shiva got its name as Brahmapuriswara. Also the Navagraha Dosha, the Navagrahas, that is the 9 planets, worshipped Shivalinga here, the Shivalinga here. And in Tamil, planet is called Kol. So that is why he is named as Tirukkolili, Kol Illada, that is without any dosha of the planet. So that's why people who come here, they get rid of the Navagraha dosha when they come and pray in this temple. And you can also see that the Navagrahas, the 9 planets, are in a row rather than in a square. In this, normally they are in a square in other temples, but here they are formed in a row. Another legend is that Bhima of Mahabharata times, after killing Bhagasura, to escape or to get rid of his dosha, he comes here. So that's why you see no one can really escape murdering someone. You will get a dosha and you need to repent for that. So that's what Bhima did here. Now there's another very interesting legend, because this temple is part of the Sapta Vidangas. Now what is Vidanga? So for that we need to see a very small story. There used to be a king called Musukunda Chakravarti, and he somehow meets Indra, because Indra wants to defeat an asura called Valasuran, and Musukunda Chakravarti helps him with that. Now Indra tells him that if you defeat this Valasuran, I will give you one linga. That was not a condition, but it's kind of a gift he wanted to give him. And Musukunda Chakravarti somehow he helps him defeat Valasura. So he is expecting the Maragate Linga, that is the emerald linga, is called Vidanga, because it's a divine linga which is not chiseled. Vidanga, which is not chiseled by a sculptor. So it's like a Swayambhu linga, it's a divine linga. So he is expecting that now. But Indra, he wants to give but doesn't want to give, because obviously he's been given that linga by Mahavishnu and he's been doing puja for it. So he doesn't want to get rid of it. He doesn't want to give it to someone. So what he does very cleverly, he creates 6 replicas of it. So now there are 7 such lingas. And Musukunda Chakravarti comes to know about this. He knows that he has to choose out of those 7, he has to choose the original one. So he is a big Shiva Bhakta, and he prays to Tiruvarur Shiva because he is part of that region. He prays to him, and Shiva tells him that don't worry, tomorrow morning when you are actually going to choose this lingas, don't worry, I will make it easy for you to identify. So I'll create some symbol in it or something I will create. And Shiva's promise can never be broken. So the next day when Musukunda Chakravarti has to choose the linga, he is easily able to choose the right linga. So now Indra obviously submits to him. He says, okay, fine, you take this. Not only this, you take all the 7 and you take it to and you install it. So we say installing the linga, but it's not really installed. It's a small linga, so it's nowhere to install. So it's kept in a box. So in Tiruvarur, you would have seen that it's kept in a box and they do abhisheka to it every day. Like that, the other replicas are kept in 7 other temples, 7 other Tyagaraja temples, which are around Tiruvarur. So this is one other temple where the Vidangar, and each Vidangar has got a name. So this Vidangar is kept here. Now the Vidangar here is called Avani Vidangar. Okay, so each of the Vidangars, as I said, has got a name. Now there's a tradition in every temple that when they do procession and they take the Tyagaraja in a palanquin or a palki, they dance with it, because that is a tradition that was started by Musukunda Chakravarti in Tiruvarur, and it happens to be in the other temples around. So now each palanquin, when they take it in a procession, they dance. So the dance in every temple is different, and that dance is called a nadanam and it's got a name. So here it's called a Bhringa Natanam. Now Bhringa in Sanskrit means a beetle. So the dance that the procession makes is kind of a circular motion. You know when beetles or bees, they go over the flowers and they try to suck nectar. So how do they? They go in a kind of circular motion and they keep going like this, right? So the same way, the procession also moves in that way, and they kind of do a performance like a bee or a beetle. Now, I hope that was really interesting for you. So let's come back to the deities in this temple. So the Moolavar, or the main shrine, is Brahmapuriswarar, or he's called Kolininathar, and he's always with a kavacham. He's the Abhishekam, that is the holy bath, is not done every day for him. He's done only on certain days, some special Amavasya days. And the Ambal is called Brihannayaki, or Poonkulil Vand Amar Poonkulili. And you will see this name in one of the stanzas that Sundarar talks about. Now let's come to the history of the song. Now Sundarar, I believe there was a famine in Tiruvarur at the time that Sundarar was in Tirukkolili, which is not very far from Tiruvarur. So he was trying to help the Adiyars with rice, and normally during famine, what do? They give at least rice and some kanji, some kind of easy mix with water. They mix the rice with water and some salt, and they just give a kind of porridge, as they call it, some kanji, because that's the easiest to make. So Sundara prays to Shiva, and at the same time there is a person called Kiravan, an old man who is also a staunch Shiva Bhakta, and this staunch Shiva Bhakta wants to help Sundara. He's got a lot of paddy, and he's in a place called Koli in Kundayur. So he wants to give this paddy to Sundarar. So Sundarar comes here to take the paddy, but he looks at them and he's got so many sacks. Obviously he sings this Devaram. So that is why in this Devaram you will say Avai Attit Tarapaniye. Please give me some porters to actually take this, because I cannot carry this. So please give me something. Please give me someone to give some porters to carry this paddy to Tiruvarur. Now, very interestingly in this Devaram, when Sundarar sings this, Sundarar is always considering Shiva as his friend. Now, when he sings this, he always says that the woman in his wife, Paravai Nachiyar, is actually suffering. He never tells Shiva that the Adiyars are suffering. Very interesting. You just have to think about why he said that. Now, many people think he sung it only for his wife. He didn't really sing it for his wife. He actually sung it for the Adiyars, but as a friend, when a friend is talking to a friend and you say, my wife is suffering, my child is suffering, you see, the friend is going to help you first, because always when a lady is suffering or your children are suffering, that kind of mellows the heart of your friend. So that is the bhava in which Sundarar actually sang the song, and Shiva melts and gives him the Budaganas, or the people surrounding Shiva. He gives those porters to him to transport the paddy. This Devaram can be sung to feed the hungry and also to transport food to the needy. As with all Devarams, singing these and listening to these more and more, the deeper the understanding. The purpose of all these songs is for us to feel the love of Shiva and to grow spiritually. Singing this Devaram with an image of the temple and the deities in your mind gives you the connect to him and gives you the same benefit or punyam of physically visiting the temple. But in case of limited time, you can choose to sing the first and the last stanza of this Padikam. Let us now see the meanings of all the 10 stanzas. Neela ninainde அடியேன் உனை நித்தலும் கைத்தொழுவேன் வாழன கண்மடவாள் அவள் வாடி வருந்தாமே கோளிலிக்கும் பெருமான் குண்டையூர் சில நெல்லு பெற்றேன் ஆளிலையும் பெருமான் அவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே Neela Ninainda. So I've been always thinking about you for a long time. Neela, long time. Adiyen, me, that is me who is your slave, your Adiyen, who is under your feet. Unai Nittalum. Okay, every day I am thinking about you. Neela Ninainda Adiyen, Unai Nittalum. Kaituluven, I will always, Kaikupin, I will worship. That is, I will fold my hands and worship you or pray to you. Valana kan Madaval. So Madaval is, he's talking about his wife, Paravai Nachiyar. Madaval here is woman, but he's actually referring to Paravai Nachiyar. Valana kan. So Val means like a sword. So as sharp as a sword, her eyes are. That's what he's saying. Aval Vadi Varundame. She is actually in distress. Varundame is in distress. And Vadi, she's fading in distress. So someone who's got sharp eyes, when they fade, how it'll become like this, right? So that is what he's trying to say. He's trying to give you that scene. He's trying to give Shiva, he's trying to portray to Shiva. Kolili em Peruman, O Shiva in Kolili, Tirukolili. Kundayur Sila, in Kundayur, the place, he got Nellu Petren. He got some paddy from that Kundayur Kiral, from that old man in Kundayur. Aal illai emperuman, aal, no person, there is no person, aal illai, there is no person, oh Shiva, avai attittarapaniye, to transport them to Thiruvarur. So attittarapaniye is actually, there's a poetic license, it's actually allittarapaniye. But poetically, you have poetic license to change certain words in a different way, and that is why it is saying attittarapaniye.
The summary is, O Shiva, as your devotee, I've been thinking of you for a very long time, and I pray to you always with folded palms. My wife Paravai, the one who has sword-like sharp eyes, is fading in distress. O Lord of Tirukolili, I've received from paddy from Kundayur, but I have no one to transport it. Please help me transport this paddy.
பண்டமரும் குழலால் உமை நங்கையோர் பங்குடையாய் விண்டவர்த்தம் புறமூன்றெழி செய்தயம் வேதியனே தண்டிரை நீர் வயல் சூழ் திருக்கோளிலியம் பெருமான் அண்டமதாய் அவனே அவை அட்டி தரபணியே. வண்டமரும் குழலால். So he's talking here about Umadevi. Umadevi, who is Parvati. In her kural is her hair, which a lot of hair, that's what he's saying. Vand amarum, vandugal, that is bees, will come and sit on her hair. Nangai means a woman of distinction, that is a woman of very high stature, good quality woman, that is a perfect woman, like that, I mean high quality. So Umadevi, when you are describing Umadevi, she is one of a very nice woman, very nice qualities. So that is what he is saying. Very good lady. Nangai or Bangam. Uru, one, Bangam, one part, Udayai. Who is talking to Shiva, he is saying, you have got Umadevi, who is a highly distinguished lady, who is one part of you. Vindavar tam pura moondru. Vindavar means who the enemies. Tam, the enemies, theirs. Puram Moondra. So this story is about where Shiva burns the three cities, the three floating cities of the Rakshasas with an arrow. So he's talking about this story only. Vindavar tam puram moondru, three purams, eri seida em Vediyane. Oh, someone, Shiva who tells Vedas, or who is the Lord of Vedas. You can keep it anyway, Vediyane. Tendirai, Tirai, that's what it means. So actually, ten means what? Clear. Tirai means alaigal, so waves. Ten tirai neer, water which has got waves. Bayal sur. So you know the paddy fields have got always water filled in them. It can be paddy fields, or here I think he's talking about paddy fields, but could be any fields which has got lot of clear water. So in the villages and all, you've got fields which are full with water, which are very clear. So that is what he's talking about. Vayal sur, surrounded. So Tirukolili emperuman. So Tirukolili, which is surrounded by these kind of fields with clear water. O Shiva, from that Tirukolili, Andamadayavane. Andam is the earth. Andamadayavane. You are the earth. Andamagi. So you are that earth. Oh Shiva, avai atti tarapaniye. Please give me someone to transport this paddy.
The summary is Shiva, you are the one who has as your other half Uma Devi, a distinguished lady with hair locks on which bees settle. You are the Lord of Vedas, the one who burnt the 3 floating cities of the enemies. You are the universe too, O Lord of Tirukolili, which is surrounded by fields with clear flowing water. Please help me transport this paddy.
பாதியோர் பெண்ணை வைத்தாய், படரும் சடை கங்கை வைத்தாய், மாதர் நல்லார் வருத்தம் அது நீயும் அரிதி அன்றே, கோதில் பொழில் புடைசூழ் குண்டையூர் சில நெல்லு பெற்றேன், ஆதியே அற்புதனே அவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. பாதியோர் பெண்ணை வைத்தாய். So you have kept a woman as one half of you. He is again talking about Uma Devi. படரும் சடை கங்கை வைத்தாய். So விரித்த சடையா இருக்கிறது, that is spread or படரும், a lot of hair. He's got padarand, it is spread actually, spread matted hair. Gangai Vaita, in that you have kept Ganga Devi, you got that water, Ganga water. Madar Nallar Varuttam, Madar, women. Here again he is talking, you can take it two ways. He is either talking about generally in women, about women, or he is talking about his wife. You can take it either way. Madar Nallar Varuttam, good natured ladies or good ladies, Nallar. Varuttam, when they are in distress, adu neeyum aridi andre. Don't you know? Is it not so that you know? Aridi andre, aridi andre. Is it not so that you know how these when ladies, good natured ladies, when they are in distress, how they will be? Because why is he saying this? He's saying you also have a wife, Uma. So obviously you are a householder. You know household problems. So you know how it is when a lady is in distress. So that is what he is trying to say here. And in most of the Devarams, even in most of the stanzas after this, whenever he says things like this, it is exactly the same meaning he is trying to portray. Kodil Puril Pudaisur. Pudaisur again is soon the surrounding. Puril gardens. Kodil, without any blemish. Kodil, Masil. Okay, Kalappadam illadadu. That is what is Kodil. Puril Sur, the spotless gardens that surrounding Kundayur, Sila Nellu Petrain, I got some Nellu, got some paddy. Adiye Arpudane, oh old one, Adiye, Adi Kalathalendu Irukkaravane, Adiye, Arpudane, wonderful one, or one who performs wonders. You can take it anyway. Avai atti tarapaniye, please transport this.
The summary is Shiva, you are the one who has Parvati as your other half and river Ganga on your spread matted hair. You very well understand the suffering of good-natured women. You are the ancient and the magnificent one, O Lord of Tirukolili, which is surrounded by beautiful gardens. Please help me transport this paddy.
சொல்லுவதென் உனை நான் தொண்டைவாய் உமை நங்கையை நீ புல்கிடத்தில் வைத்தாய் ஒரு பூசல் செய்தார் உளரோ கொல்லை வளம் புறவில் குண்டையூர் சில நெல்லு பெற்றேன் அல்லல் களைந்த அடியே கவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. சொல்லுவதென் உனை நான், what can I tell you? சொல்லுவது என், உனை நான். Okay, what will I tell you? தொண்டைவாய் உமை நங்கை நீ. Tondai is a kind of fruit. They call it kovakkai in Tamil, or I think tondakkai in Telugu. So that kind of fruit, when it becomes red, right? That is what he's saying. Tondai vai. Tondai vai means the lips of Uma Devi are red like that. Like that kovakkai. So it becomes red. You know, it becomes like kind of deep red, and that is what he's talking about. Nangayai ni. Oh, the distinguished woman. He, ni, you, pulgi, you have attached, pulgi is to attach or to embrace, like to hug or something like that. So you have attached her, idathil vaitha, you have kept her in the left hand side of you, ஒரு பூசல் செய்தார் உளரோ. Did anyone say anything bad about that? Just because you have kept Uma Devi in your left, did anyone say anything bad? Like pusal is to slander or to say some kind of those kind of remarks. Did anyone say anything wrong about it? That's what it means. செய்தார் உளரோ. Did they say? கொல்லை வளம் புறவில். கொல்லை வளம் புறவில் is if you take it together, it is like those lands which have got lot of abundant vegetation. குண்டையூர் சில நெல்லு பெற்றேன் சூர்ந்த, that is குண்டையூரில் இருக்கிற இந்த வளம்புறவில் அங்கேருந்து I took a lot of nell, I took a lot of paddy from that குண்டையூர் கிழவன் which has got lot of these குள்ளை வளம்புறவில். அல்லல் களைந்து அடியேற்கு. அல்லல்கள், any troubles, களைந்து, you removed, you are capable of removing this for this adiyen. Please remove that allalgal and take this, please remove those troubles and please transport this paddy for me to Tiruvarur.
The summary is, what is there for me to tell you, O Shiva? Is there anyone who has slandered you for marrying Uma Devi, who has red ivy gourd like lips, whom you have seated on your left side? I have received some paddy from Kundayur that is surrounded by fields with abundant vegetation. Please remove any troubles of this devotee and help transport the paddy.
முல்லை முறுவலுமை பொறுபங்குடை முக்கண்ணனே பல்லையர் வெண்டலையில் பலி கொண்டுழல் பாசுபதா கொல்லை வளம் புறவில் திருக்கோளிலிமை எம்பெருமான் அல்லல் களைந்தடியேற்கவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. முல்லை முறுவல். Muruval means teeth, or you can even say smile. So mullai means the jasmine. White jasmine is white, right? So he's saying that Uma Devi, Umai. So Uma Devi has got white teeth, or vellai punnagai they say, no, like white smile, white teeth. Oru bangudai mukkannane. You have him as you have her as one part. O mukkannane. O someone who's got three eyes, the third eye as well. So 3 eyes. So he's telling Shiva. Then pal ayar vendalayil. Pal here is teeth. Ayar is like to do, to perform. So pal ayar vendalayil. Vendalai means like a skull. So he's got skulls that are showing the teeth like this. So that is what he's saying. Pal ayar vendalayil, who are showing the teeth. Pali kondu, you are having that, you are having them, or you are having that bowl like that, and you are going for pali, you are going for alms or for offerings. Kondu ural, you are going pass, or you are relaxing like that, you are strolling. Pasupata, oh someone, oh Pasupata, the one who gave the Pasupata astra. That's why they call Shiva the Pasupata. Kollai valam puravil Tirukkolile Emperuman. O Peruman, O Shiva from Tirukkolili, which has got abundant vegetation, or lands with abundant vegetation. Allal kalainda adiyerku avai atti tarappaniye. These you who are capable of removing my troubles, for this adiyen, please take this paddy and transport it.
The summary is, O three-eyed Lord, you have as your other half Uma Devi, who has white jasmine-like teeth. You are the giver of the Pasupatastra. You wander and beg for alms in a skull that shows its teeth. O Lord of Tirukkolili, which is surrounded by fields with abundant vegetation, please remove any troubles of this devotee and help transport the paddy.
குருவமரும் குழலால் உமை நங்கையர் பங்குடையாய் பறவை பசி வருத்தும் அது நீயும் அரிதி அன்றேயே. குரவமரும் பொழில் சூர்குண்டையூர் சில நெல்லு பெற்றேன் அரவம் அசைத்தவனே அவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. குரவ மலர், so it's a kind of flower. அரும் Kuravam Arum Kuralal. So Uma Devi, who's on her hair, on her hair locks, she's got this Kuravam Malar. It's a kind of flower that and she's got a lot of it. That's what he's saying. Nangai, again, coming back to a lady with who is distinguished or a high distinction. Or Bangudayai. So he is, you have her as one part. Paravai Pasivaruttam. So Paravai, he's telling about Paravai Nachiyar. She is in hunger. She Pasivaruttam. She is in that kind of distress. Adi neeyu mariyende, don't you even know this? Or don't you even understand this? Aren't you aware of this? Because you being a householder. Kuravam Arum Pudil Sool. So the gardens that are surrounding Kundayur, which have again got these Kurava Malargal. I have got some paddy from that. Aravam Asaittavane. Aravam means snake. Asaittavane, one who is tied it. So you can take it either shaking like this, shaking the snake, or tying it. So obviously, unless he's tied the snake or unless he's tamed the snake, he cannot shake it, right? You can even say he tamed the snake. So that is what you can take it in any way. Aravam Asaittavane. Oh Shiva who has got the snake with you. Avai atti tarapaniye. Please help me transport this paddy.
The summary is, Shiva, you are the one who has as your other half Uma Devi, a distinguished lady with hair locks that bear kuruvam flowers. You do understand the distress of Paravai who is in hunger. I received some paddy from Kundayur, which is surrounded by gardens filled with kuruvam flowers. O Lord who has tied snakes to his body, please help me transport this paddy.
எம்பெருமான் உனையே நினைந்தே துவன் எப்பொழுதும் ஒம்பமரும் குழலால் ஒரு பாகமாம் வந்தவனே செம்பொனின் மாளிகை சூழ் திருக்கோளிலியம் பெருமான் அன்பதுவாய் அடியேற்கவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. எம்பெருமான் உன்னையே நினைந்து. So I'm always thinking about you, நினைந்து ஏத்துவன், and I'm also praising you. Okay, எப்பொழுதும், every day, all the time. வம்பமரும் குழலால், again Uma Devi on her hair, he's got vambamarum, vambamarum. So fragrance, a lot of fragrance she's got. And you have kept her in one bhagam of you, Amarandavane, you sitting, and who's got Uma Devi as one part of you. Semponin Maligai. Semponin means nice gold, fine gold. So find gold like Jwalikindra Maligaigal, that is like palaces or mansions which are glittering like gold or which are in the kind of gold like color. Tirukkolili Emperuman. Okay, in Tirukkolili, O Shiva from Tirukkolili, Anbaduvai, you are an epitome of Anbu, of love. For this Adiyerku, Avai Atti Tarapaniye, can you please transport this paddy?
The summary is, my Lord, I am always thinking and praising you. You are the one who has as your other half Parvati who has fragrant hair. You are the Lord of Tirukkolili, that is surrounded by mansions that glitter like gold. O epitome of love, please help this devotee by transporting this paddy.
அரக்கன்முடி கரங்கள் அடத்திட்டய மாதிப்பிரான் பறக்கும் அரவல் குலால் பறவை அவள் வாடுகின்றாள். குரக்கினங்கள் குதிக்கொள் குண்டையூர் சில நெல்லு பெற்றேன் இரகமதாய் அடியேற்கமை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. அரக்கன் முடி கரங்கள் அடர்த்திட்ட. So you actually crushed what? His hair and his hands. Who? Ravana's under Kailash. So that is what he is talking about. Here Arakkan means Ravanan. And you crushed. So Adartitta is also to crush. So you crushed his mudi and his karangal. Under that, O Adi Piran, O old man, that is old, age old Shiva, Parakkum Araval Gulal. So Parakkum is like broad here, Parvadal. Okay, so it is broad. Araval Gulal. So they normally use this for a woman, chested. So woman who's got a broad chest. So that's what they're saying here. Paravai. Who? Paravai. So Paravai who's got a broad chest. Aval Vadigindral. She is pining or she is fading. Kurakinam, Kurakinangal. So Kurangu, that is the monkeys, Inangal, the group of monkeys, Kudikul, they are jumping, right? So Kundayur, which is surrounded by, or which has got monkeys, the groups of monkeys that are jumping, I got some nell, I got some paddy from there. Irakamadai, oh epitome of mercy, oh one who is merciful, oh who is the epitome of mercy. Adiyerku, in the Adiyenku, please avai atti tharapane. For this slave, please transport this paddy to Tiruvarur.
Summary is, O ancient one, you are the one who crushed the heads and the hands of Ravana. Paravai, who has a broad chest, is fading in distress. I received some paddy from Kundayur, which is filled with families of monkeys that jump and play. O merciful one, please help this devotee by transporting this paddy.
பண்டயமால் பிரம்மன் பரந்தும் இடந்தும் அயர்ந்தும் கண்டிலராய் அவர்கள் கடல் காண்பரிதாய பிரான் தெண்டிரை நீர் வயல் சூழ் திருக்கோளினியம் பெருமான் அண்டமதாயவனே அவை அட்டி தரப்பணியே. Pandayamal. Pandai means old. So old Tirumal, who Venkateswara, or you can say Perumal, Brahman and Brahman, or Vishnu, right? Tirumal is Vishnu and Brahman and Lord Brahma. Parandum, they flew. Idandum, they walked or they ran. And Ayarndum, that is, Vishnu went for his feet down. He separated the earth, right? So he dug the earth and he went to find for the feet, whereas Brahma went, he flew on top to find Shiva's head. So that's what he's talking about. Kandilarai, they couldn't find Kandilarai, avargal, them, Kadal, they couldn't find the feet. Paridaya Piran, okay, which is not even being shown. That is, they couldn't even find the feet and the head and of the Shiva. That is very difficult to find. Sorry, that is what it means. Kanbaridaya means very difficult to find. They couldn't even find it. Tendirai neer vayal sool. Tendirai, again I told you in the previous stanza. Tendirai, Tirai neer vayal sool. The fields that have got clear water. So it's surrounding Tirukkolili, which is surrounded by these this kind of fields with clear water. Oh Shiva, from that Andamadayavane, the earth, one who is the earth itself, Andamagi, who is that of the earth, please avai attittarapane, please help to transport this paddy.
Summary is, O Lord, the ancient Vishnu and Brahma could not see your difficult to see head even after flying and running, nor could they see the feet by digging the earth. You are the universe too, O Lord of Tirukkolili, which is surrounded by fields filled with clear flowing water. Please help me transport this paddy.
கொல்லைவளம் புறவில் திருக்கோலிலிமையவனே நல்லவர் தாம் பரவும் திருநாவல ஊரணவன் நெல்லிட ஆட்கள் வேண்டே நினைந்தேத்திய பத்தும் வல்லார் அல்லல் களைந்துலகில் அண்டர் வானுலகால் பவரே. கொல்லை வளம் புறவில், I've already said about this twice or thrice. Tirukkolili, which has got abundant vegetation. O Meyyavane, O truthful one from Tirukkolili, Nallavar Tambarvum, the good people, them, whatever they paravum, whatever they spread or whatever they say, they are saying good words about me. Who? About whom? Tirunavalu Uranavan. About me from Tirunavalur. That is about Sundaramurthy Nayanar, because he is from Tirunavalur originally. Nellida Aatkal Vendi, for getting this, getting people to, or getting porters to transport this nilli, to transport this paddy, Ninaindetya Pattum Vallar. So I thought about you and I have praised you and I have said 10 verses. Pattum Vallar. So those who say these 10 verses, okay, for asking for porters to transport this paddy, அல்லல் களைந்து உலகில். That is, அல்லல்களை களைந்து. Kalai means weed. So weeding out these troubles, or to remove these troubles, removing these troubles, உலகில், in this world, under the devas, வானுலகால் பவரே, வானுலகு ஆள்பவரே. They will, along with the devas, they will rule the vanulagam, the heavens. Or you can say they will become the devas themselves and rule the heavens. So you can take it in any way.
Summary is, O Shiva, you are the truthful one of Tirukkolili, which is surrounded by fields that have abundant vegetation. I, Sundarar, resident of Tirunavalur, whom good people praise, have composed these 10 verses thinking and praising you, asking you for porters to transport this paddy. Those who recite these verses will have their sorrows weeded out and will rule the celestial world along with the celestials. Shankaram Siva Shankaram.